This is Stuart Talley. I'm the partner here responsible for the Pinnacle metal and metal hip cases. Wanted to provide an update on the current status of the litigation. We just had a big verdict in the second trial, and many clients have been calling us with lots of questions about how this verdict that recently came out will impact their personal case. How can they get their case to trial? Well, there's a couple things to be aware of. First, the verdict in this case does not mean that DePuy is going to automatically settle these cases or propose a settlement to everybody who has a case. What the verdict does is it puts pressure on DePuy to do that, but by no means do they have to do it. It's entirely their decision as to whether they want to settle these cases or not. And until they offer a global settlement, we're really sort of stuck in this phase where we need to keep trying cases. There is another group of 5 cases that the judge has asked the parties to come up with another group of 5 for a trial before the end of the year. That case will be tried. Many people have asked, will the new jury know about the last verdict? And the answer is no, they won't know about the last verdict. They won't even know there was another case that had been tried to a jury, because each case has to be independently evaluated by the jury. Many people have asked, how do I get my case set for trial? And it's very difficult. There are 8,000 cases that are currently on file. The plaintiffs obviously want very good, easy, simple, straightforward cases to go to trial first. The defendants are looking for cases that have lots of weaknesses. What the judge wants is he wants sort of run-of-the-mill cases. That's why these are called Bellwether cases. They sort of set values on the other cases that are out there. So there's a lot of jockeying that goes on with respect to what cases go to trial and in what order. It's very difficult for one person to stand up and say, I would like my case to go next, because there's 8,000 other people that also have that same desire. So that's something that it's very difficult, and people just have to be patient, unfortunately. And it's tough, because I know a lot of people are older. A lot of people can't afford to wait, another 10 years for some kind of resolution of this. But unfortunately, like I said, we can't force DePuy to settle anybody's case. All we can do is keep hitting them with verdicts, and hopefully they'll come around at some point. Now, if you have a metal on metal Pinnacle and you haven't filed a lawsuit yet, or you have any questions about the process or how it works, feel free to give us a call. You can reach us at the phone number on the screen. You can fill out one of our online forms, and a lawyer will call you back right away. And if you have a lawyer, the first person I would call with questions is your lawyer. He should be able to answer any of those questions. But if you still have any questions, you can always call us. Hope you're doing well. And if you, like I said, if you have a question, call us at the number on the screen or fill out one of our online forms.